postman in first. That is a good point. Hi, Mum, is it alright if Charlotte comes for tea tonight? Yeah, I'll let her know. Alright, I'll see you in 15 minutes. Love you. Hey Mum, we're home.
He was raped, sexually assaulted.
Hi Charlotte, I've not seen you for a while.
Hi, yeah, I guess I've been busy.
Okay, well dinner will be ready in 30 minutes. Okay.
Is George upstairs?
He is, so be careful.
Fall under the